Where's the Secretary General seat?
Yeah.
This one?
Yes, it's the president.
Wonderful to see you.
I understand you're punishing schedule. Yeah, there's an ambassador. And then I find thank you.
Well, Mr. President, once again, congratulations. And I have to say that since my time in government, and that was 30 years ago, and we had close relations with ECOWAS because of the Guinea-Bissau problem, and there was a very good cooperation between the community of Portuguese-speaking countries and ECOWAS. And since that time, I've always considered Ghana a fundamental pillar in the construction not only of West Africa but of the African